report. Let's revisit ZAC reports. Let's revisit anti-corruption reports. Let us do these things right. You know as much as I do, a parliamentary delegation visited work that was failed to be done by Chivai. The same Chivai we've given Sterling today. The same Chivai whose company is non-existent. I know you know these things, that we can do these things well. I'm speaking to you as a generational colleague to then say, it's the time you, the young people in ZANU-PF, begin to make sense to the leaders up there to say it's time to retire our elders, go there and rest, let the young people come through, promote more honorable governance. People can do better. Zimbabwe is a beautiful country. We love this country, my brother. Thank you very much, Ango James. I look forward to the space you suggested. And once again, Padare, we are prepared to push the internet idea from the little that we hope to.
We have a population
to mobilize from our side. Thank you very much.
Right. I thank you very much for the contribution, that you've made, and everybody else, that has taken part in this conversation. We started this at 1 p.m. UK time, and now it is 9.
Mashoko atawana gift Ostallos Siziba ayo achiyapana pa advocate achite no ZANU-PF elders they failed the Zimbabwean politics. Vanachivayo, they are just corrupt. They are just here to squander and loot my resources. This is now failed politics. Now what Iowa munisa kutamramika Zimbabwe. Achadvocate achiti Iowa zvakuda vechidi kuti vachipindira. Sachimbotu ziya mafungiro enyu munoti kudipa musoro mashoko Ostallos Siziba. Pina comment section medu muti mafungiro enyu, so no subscribe, like, chino turn on the bell icon.